colors: red, blue, green, yellow, pink, orange.
Good afternoon. What's your favorite color?
Red color, blue color, green color, yellow color, pink color, orange color. My favorite color is Conversation 4. Good afternoon. What's your favorite color?
Good afternoon. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. And you? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Goodbye, my friend.
Top 4. Talk to your classmate.
What's your name?
My name is Tom.
How are you?
I am fine.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Listen or read, then do the same.
My name is Tom. I am fine. I am 7 years old. My favorite color is green.